Hello and welcome. So this is an A-line dress I have here, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to draft a basic A-line dress for a child, and we are working with the measurement of a 6-year-old child. So if this is a video you are interested in learning, then let's get started. So these are the required measurements of this child. I have a quarter of the bust measurement here, and I also have a quarter of the waist measurement, and then the dress length we are working with is 32 inches, and I have half of the shoulder length, which is 5.5 inches here. So we are going to go ahead and start with drafting the front pattern. I'm going to start off with drawing this reference line at the top here. This will serve as my shoulder line. So I'm going to go in with half of my shoulder length measurement, then I'm going to mark it out this way. Then the next I'll do is to input my neck measurement. I'm working with 3 by 2 inches, so 3 for the width and then 2 for the depth. And I'm going to go ahead and then draw my neck line this way. So the next I'm going to do is to extend this line here, the shoulder length, slightly down this way, and then I'll input my shoulder slope of 1 inch for the front. So I'll mark 1 inch here, and I'll connect a line from that 1 inch to touch the neck this way. Then next I'm going to do is to input my chest line measurement. To get the chest line measurement, you just divide the bust measurement into 4. So I'm going to input that from the shoulder line down this way. So I'm working with 6.25 inches. So I'm going to mark it here. This is a quarter of my bust measurement, which is serving as my chest line. So the next I'll do is just to extend this line, this shoulder line here down to touch my chest line. Then I'm going to go ahead and input a quarter of my bust measurement. I'm working with 6.25 inches. I'll mark it on this line, on the chest line this way. Then I'm going to add half an inch for ease on this block. Then the next I'll do is to measure this line here this way, and then divide it into 2. So when I divided, I got about 2.5 inches. I'm going to mark this 2.5 inches on this line this way, and then draw a reference line across. So after drawing this reference line, I'm going to go in by half an inch and then mark it out this way, and then connect a line from this point to touch the shoulder tip this way. Then it's time for me to draw my armhole curve. So I'm going to come in with my curve and then draw my armhole curve beautifully. So we are working with a dress length of 32 inches. So I'm going to measure from the shoulder to 32 inches towards the hem of this dress, and then I will mark it out. And the next I will do is to draw a line across on the hem of this dress this way. Then I'm going to measure what I have on the chest line. I have about 6.75 inches. I'm going to input same on the hem of this dress this way, and then connect a line to touch the hem and then the chest line this way. So if you are drafting a basic dress, this is how to go about it. This is going to be my side front for now. Then in order to convert this into an A-line dress, I'm going to add 4 inches more from the side front this way. You can do more than 4 inches if you have a lot of fabric to spare, and depending on how wide you want this dress to be. So I'm going to connect a new line from that 4-inch mark to touch my chest line this way. So this is going to be my new side front, and this is how to draft a basic A-line dress for a child. So the next thing I'm going to do is to shape the side of this dress. And to shape this side, I'm going to measure from the chest line to the hem of this dress on the center front area, and whatever I get, I'm going to input same for the side front. I got about 25.5 inches, so I'm marking that 25.5 inches on the side front. Then I'm going to come in with my curve and then shape the side front this way. So I'm going to shade out the area I'll be cutting out, so I will not be needing this portion any longer. And with the dress style I have in mind, I'm going to make further alterations to this block. But if you are sewing a basic A-line dress, then at this point your pattern is ready for cutting. I'm going to extend this line here with broken lines this way, and then the next I'm going to do is to input 2.5 inches. Then I'm going to mark it out, and towards the hem of this dress I'm going to input 4 inches, and then I'll mark it and then draw a line to connect both points. So this is a style I'm coming up with, and I'll be cutting this style in my next video. But if you are working with a basic A-line dress, at this point you don't need this design. So this is it here. My dress is ready. With the style I have in mind, I'll be cutting this center front on fold later in my next video. So we are done with the front part, and let's move to the back. So for the back, we are going to start off with drawing a reference line at the top here, which is serving as my shoulder line. Then I'm going to input my shoulder length of 5.5 inches. That's half of my shoulder length. And then I'm going to do a neck depth and neck width of 3 by 1 inch for the back. Then I'll go ahead and then draw my neck line this way. So like we did for the front, I'm going to extend this line down a bit, and then I'll work with a shoulder slope of half an inch for the back. So I'm going to measure half inch and then mark, and then connect a line to touch my neckline this way. Remember, we are working with a chest line of 6.25 inches for the front, so we'll repeat same for the back. And this is a quarter of our bust measurement. So I'm going to input 6.25 from the shoulder line down this way, mark, and then draw a reference line across. So after drawing this line, I'm going to further extend this shoulder length line down to touch the chest line this way, and then I'm going to input my bust measurement onto the chest line this way, and I'll add in my ease of half an inch like I did for the front. And remember, we divided the front into 2, we got about 2.5 inches. I'm going to repeat same for the back, draw a reference line across this way, and then I'm going to go in by half an inch, mark, and connect back to the shoulder tip. Then the next I'll do is to draw my armhole curve. So our dress length is 32 inches. I'm going to go ahead and measure 32 inches on this pattern, mark it across, and then draw a reference line on the hem of this dress this way. So we are basically repeating what we did to the front onto the back pattern. So I'm going to input the measurement for the chest line this way onto the hem. So I'm working with 7 inches. I'll mark it here, and then I'll add an extra 4 inches to the hem of this dress. But before I do that, I'm just going to connect a line from the hem to touch the chest line this way. Then I'll add the extra 4 inches to the hem of this dress, mark it, and reconnect to my chest line. So the next I'm going to do, this is my center back and this is my side back. The next I'm going to do, I'm going to be cutting this center back on fold as well for the design I'm working with in my next video. So it all depends on what you are drafting. So the next I'm going to do is to shape the back of this dress, the side back. I'll just repeat what I did for the front. So this is it here. Our pattern is ready. I'm going to be cutting this back pattern on fold. So these are my pattern pieces. I believe this video was very simple and very easy to follow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll be on the lookout for our next video. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much for making time to watch this video.